Hi Jess, hi Jackie. I just wanted to thank you both so much for hosting the Spooky Power Hour. And whenever I film my video, I think I'm going to dress like a mummy and clean the toilets. But I'm definitely going to tell everyone to watch Jessica Myros and to watch my magical home. And I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. But before I film, I think I'm going to take a nap. Yeah, that sounds great. Talk to you later. Thank you so much for hosting this. Bye-bye. What in the world? What do I have on? What time is it? What's this? October 25th, 1955? A to-do list? I have to get my glasses to read this. October 25th, 1955. Where's my phone? Where's my watch? 1. Tidy main living area by dusting and fluffing pillows. I can do that. 2. Iron the mister's clothes for work tomorrow. The mister's. Iron? Okay. Number 3. Tidy in the kitchen and wipe down inside of fridge. Number 4. Wash dishes and put them away. Number 5. Sweep and mop lit kitchen and living area. Number 6, clean windows in kitchen and make sure to get rid of any cobwebs. That sounds scary. 7, clean toilet and wipe down countertops and sinks. 8, tidy bedroom by dusting and fluffing pillows. Sure, there's a lot of fluffing pillows going on. Number 9, take out the trash. Number 10, rest for 15 minutes to prepare for Mr.'s arrival home. 10, I can definitely handle. Do I even still own an iron to do number 2? I guess we're going to get started with a October 25th, 1955 spooky hour. This is a little scary. Going to read to you an excerpt that I found from a 1950s home economics textbook. Have dinner ready. Plan ahead, even the night before, to have a delicious meal ready on time. This is a way of letting him know that you have been thinking about him and are concerned about his needs. Most men are hungry when they come home, and the prospect of a good meal is part of the warm welcome needed. Prepare yourself. Take 15 minutes to rest so that you are refreshed when he arrives. Touch up your makeup, put a ribbon in your hair, and be fresh looking. He has just been with a lot of work-weary people. Be a little gay and a little more interesting. His boring day may need a lift. Clear away the clutter. Make one last trip through the main part of the house. Gather up the books, toys, and newspapers. Dust the tables so that they appear clean. Your husband will feel that he has reached his haven of rest and order. Doing this for him will give you a lift also. Prepare the children. Take a few minutes to wash their faces and hands. Comb their hair and change their clothes. It is necessary to make them look presentable to him. They are God's creatures, and your husband would like to see them playing their part. Minimize all noise. At the time of his arrival, eliminate all the noises of the washer, dryer, dishwasher, and vacuum. You've had plenty of time to do those things during the day. Don't do them now. Encourage your children to be quiet. Be happy to see your husband. Greet him with a warm smile. Do not greet your husband with problems or complaints. Don't complain when he's late for dinner. Count this as a minor when compared to what he has gone through today. Make him comfortable. Have him lean back in a comfortable chair, or suggest that he lie down for a few minutes in the bedroom. Have a cool or warm drink ready for him. Arrange his pillow and offer to take off his shoes. Speak in a low, soft, soothing, and pleasant voice. Allow him to relax and unwind. Listen to him. You may have a dozen things to tell him, but the moment of his arrival is not the time. Let him speak first. Make the evening his. He is special. Never complain that he does not take you out to dinner or to other pleasant entertainment. Instead, try to understand his world of strain and pressure, his need to unwind and relax. Remember that you've relaxed all day waiting for his return. Now it's his time to enjoy what you've enjoyed. Try to make his home a place of peace and order, a place where your husband can relax in body and spirit. I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you in my growing YouTube family. This video is a spooky party power hour hosted by Jacque of My Magical Home, Heart and Apron, and Jessica of Jessica My Rose. I will link their channel in my description box below, along with the playlist of all the other talented YouTube creators who made videos for the Halloween season. 15 minutes, and I think that I can handle that. Wow, let's relax, Lily. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness, that was just a dream. That was definitely a spooky hour. And it is October 25th, 2022. I am so glad that it's 2022 and not 1955. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.